Good morning. I am at the testing facility for COVID-19. I have to get a PCR test done before I can have my surgery. And I am here super early. I'm not even supposed to be here until 8:30. It is currently 7:07 a.m. on Sunday, October the 8th, which is the day that I leave to go to Montreal. Anyways, this is the testing facility. I'm going to turn the camera around and you can see what's going on. See, there's a testing sign. There's the cabin, I guess, where they do the tests. Anyways, I'm out here and I'll be doing it at 8:30, and then I should get my results by 9 p.m. tonight, and hopefully I don't have COVID. So this is me signing off. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Peace.